Planning a beach trip but can't decide between Boracay, Bantayan, or Siquijor? Here's the real difference. A lot of people has been asking me about the difference between Boracay, Bantayan, and Siquijor based on my experience traveling there this summer. So here are my honest thoughts. Of course, this may be different from your experience. So take this simply as my personal opinion as a traveler. So, if you're visiting for the ferry walk, broom ride, and those magical photo spots, then Siquijor is definitely the place to go. This island is beautiful and the beaches are stunning. But if you're not staying at a beach resort, the easiest good beach only to access is Paliton Beach in the center of San Juan. When I went there, it wasn't quite as clean as it was 3 years ago, and there were definitely more tourists. But despite that, it's still beautiful with its white sand and amazing view. Now, if you're looking for activities like parasailing, parausailing, UFO rides, and more, then Boracay is your best option. Just keep in mind, once you arrive at the airport, you'll still need to take a boat to Boracay Island itself and then another van or motorcycle ride to your accommodation. But honestly, the beach is absolutely breathtaking. Boracay has the finest sand I've ever experienced. It's unbelievably soft and powdery. And one thing that surprised me most, everything there was more affordable than I expected, especially the souvenirs. And if you love nightlife and parties, Boracay is definitely the place to be. Lastly, my personal favorite among the three is Bantayan Island. Why? Because Bantayan's sea and beaches are just as beautiful as Boracay's, although the sand isn't quite as fine. There are also far fewer tourists, so if you're looking for a peaceful escape, a break from the crowd, or just some quiet time for yourself, Bantayan is perfect. And what I really love is that almost every beach in Santa Fe Bantayan is beautiful. You don't have to search hard for a good spot. The seafood there is also super fresh, delicious, and affordable, so you can really enjoy eating a lot without worrying too much. But more than anything, what I love most about Bantayan is the peace I found there. There's just something about the island. The calm atmosphere, the slower pace, the quiet roads, the sea breeze. It gave me a kind of peace I didn't know I needed. And one more tip. In all three islands, tourists can rent a bicycle or motorbike as long as you have driver's license with you, which makes exploring so much easier. So if you're trying to decide where to go, choose Siquijor for magical vibes and unique experiences. Choose Boracay for activities, nightlife, and iconic white sand beaches. Choose Bantayan if you want peace, beautiful beaches, and more laid-back island escape. If you have any questions about these islands, feel free to comment below. I'd be happy to answer them based on my experience. And if this video helped you, don't forget to share it with your friends who are planning their next island trip. See you in the next one. Bye. Thank you for watching.
Audio Jungle.